Good morning, guys. It's Joanne. Welcome back. Today's video, I'm just going to show you my new toy that I received for Christmas from my husband. This is a laser cutting tool, I guess it's called. I'm brand new to this stuff. So this is, let me just show you, it's the SCULPFUN. And I don't know if we can zoom into there. But it is the S9 Pro, and I believe it's 10 watts. That's the official name of the official model of the SCULPFUN. It comes with the laser. So let me just show you real quick because we did already assemble it. It was not hard to do. These pieces everything came separate, and then they just get attached by some bolts here. Comes with this handy dandy bag with the tools, everything that you need. We did not need anything other than what came with the SCULPFUN. So we put all that together. The laser gets attached. This little box here gets attached. This is the power box. And then this also goes from here to your computer because you do need software to design and print, and you need to be attached to a USB. It's not Bluetooth. So that is one thing to keep in mind when ordering some of these machines. Again, I've seen some online, but this is the first one I've ever had and been up close to and such. So, all right, yeah, so that's easy. Assembly is easy. It comes with a little book. I don't know what I did with the book. It comes with a pair of laser glasses because the laser does have a protector shield there, but you're not supposed to look at the laser. And then with that, hubby made sure that he got 4 more pairs of laser glasses so that if anyone is even in the basement, they can put those on. Ideally, I do want to move this to an area where I can ventilate better. I haven't done too much with it. I've done a couple of test cuts, which in another video, I'll go over that with you. If any of you received a machine like this and you're new to it, maybe my videos will eventually help you. Maybe not this one, because we are just kind of showing you the setup, not really even an unboxing because I didn't video any of that. Okay, it also includes a piece of aluminum, a rather small piece, because ideally you want the whole bottom of your workspace to have a sheet of aluminum, and then the aluminum goes on the bottom, and then a piece of wood such as this. This is just a scrap piece that we had, would go on top. Okay, and then your piece that you're cutting, and this was actually my first cut, but didn't work right, but that's okay. We've since adjusted some things. This is how you would cut. Now there is something called a honeycomb. It's like almost like a aluminum mesh bedding that would sit here. Instead of cutting like onto this hard piece of wood, it would be an aluminum mesh underneath. And supposedly that is supposed to cut better and cleaner than doing it this way. So over there, I do have a roll of, can I see it? A roll of, it's called something. I don't know. My neighbor gave it to me. Some kind of cloth. I don't know. Something cloth. It's like aluminum, I guess. I'm thinking. So I'm going to try and make my own. There's the fire extinguisher that my husband made me put down here, along with this cup of water, just in case. I'm telling you, we are absolutely taking every precaution because we are new to this, and it can catch on fire, I guess. It's something that you do need to be around the entire time you're using it. It's not something like your Cricut where if it's going to take, 20 minutes to cut out, you can just leave it and go. This, you kind of have to, pack a lunch and sit here and wait for it to finish because you don't want to take a chance of anything burning up. So I will just tell you, so it comes with what I've told you. It comes with this one small sheet of basswood, I'm thinking it is. I did do a test on a square piece of this from, let me come back out, sorry, from Dollar Tree, and I think this is 1/8 of an inch. One other thing, yes, that it does include, okay, so it does come with this metal cylindrical piece here. I'm going to call it a caliper. I'm not sure what it's actually called. If I can think of the name, I'll probably shoot it right here in the video. But so your laser moves, you know, you set it up, and then it has to be, you have your product here that you're going to cut. So say, and again, this is not any kind of like project tutorial or anything. I'm just kind of showing you the pieces that it comes with and giving you a little bit of an idea. This piece here would sit under that corner, and then you can adjust the laser up and down so it would fit tight. So here, see here, it's a little bit loose. I would adjust that to get it to come down a little bit so that it's tight with that. Then you tighten the laser, this comes out, and then that's how you get the distance that your laser should be between your piece of wood that you're going to cut. All right, guys, so that's about it. One other thing I'm going to say is you do actually have a pretty big cutting area. So you have it's about 17 by 20, 17 by 19 or 20. I guess even if you were just to be safe, you could do 17 by 17 just to keep it a square. So that's probably the size of the base that you're going to want underneath. But I also believe that you can get attachments to this to make it go longer. So if you were doing I don't know if you can go wider. I don't think you can go wider this way, but I think you can go longer that way. And then the other thing, you can also get other attachments for this to where you can do mugs. You can engrave mugs. So it's supposed to do, this here is supposed to do wood, leather. I want to say, what's the other thing? Wood, leather. You can engrave on aluminum. Glass, glass, ceramic, all different kinds of constructs, and that's all in the on the website, or you know, just look up some videos of people who have this machine and are using it, because that's what I've been doing. All right, guys, well, this is just the initial video, again, of just showing you what it comes with, a little bit of how it's set up, a very simple setup, and I will be getting everything together and then trying to get some more very beginner videos here as we learn to use the machine and we learn to use the software. Software is very important because we can't do anything without it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.